Hello guys, let me welcome you in our interactive workshops calling Health Academy.
We are interested in healthy lifestyle, food and fitness. Today we are going to show you how to make some nice and tasty smoothies.
Wash you without the shell. Normally it's the skin, but look it up, it's a shell.
We are going to use a nice ripe bananas. These ones are a little bit different, as you can see in the supermarket. And you know why? These are coming from Mama Africa.
If it's too sweet, if it's too sour, just put it something like sugar. We're using the sugarcane syrup, or put some lemon inside if it's too sweety.
So, cheers!